When you are looking for a sauna, people don't have large master bedrooms or a bonus room that can easily become the sauna room. Outdoor saunas are perfect for smaller homes or large families. You will gain more privacy in an outdoor sauna. A sauna placed near your master bath is still inside your house and you will hear everything that's going on around you. Outdoor saunas provide a peaceful place to relax. Time to myself will take a new, refreshing meaning. This may be especially helpful for those who work from home. Associating work with your own home can be a drag on your emotional well-being. To detach, relax and come home at the end of the workday, get an outdoor sauna. Landscaping your own yard can be a beautiful pursuit. Now, imagine centering your outdoor efforts around the rustic charm of a sauna. Outdoor saunas are probably the most attractive type of outdoor building. They are not just visual, they are sensory as well. Most of us have relaxing association with sauna wherever we have experienced it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.